Okay, in this video we're going to talk about number equations and number lines. Now, the first thing to kind of keep in mind is if you hear the word equations, equation down here or here, okay, the first thing you should think of is it needs to have an equal sign. If it's got an equation, it has to have an equal sign. All right, so let's talk about this first problem. Write an equation write an addition equation or subtraction equation, your choice, to describe the diagram. So let's look at the diagram first, and we're actually going to do both an addition, oops, we're both going to do an addition and a subtraction with this first one. So let's do the addition in green. Still getting used to this, guys. Write an addition equation or subtraction equation. So let's do the addition equation. So this first number here, well, if you start at 0 and you go down 9, that would be negative 9. Plus, we're going down another, looks like, 1, 2 more down, so plus negative 2. So negative 9 plus negative 2 equals, well, where do we end up? That's negative 9, negative 10, negative 11. So that's the addition equation. Negative 9 plus negative 2 equals negative 11. So now let's talk about a subtraction equation. So let's do that in red. Okay, subtraction equation. So subtraction equation, once again, we have negative 9 minus, well, we're going down 1, 2 down. We're going down 1, 2 more. So that would be minus 2. And once again, that equals negative 11. All right, now you can remember the stuff I talked about with the commas. No, I don't want. I'm still trying to get used to this, guys. Let's go purple here. Negative 9 minus 2 is the same as negative 9 and negative 2. Negative 9 and add to it negative 2. See how these two basically are the same thing. So plus negative 2 or minus 2 means the same thing. Add negative 2, add negative 2. So negative 9 minus 2, or negative 9 plus negative 2, equals negative 11. So either one of these answers is acceptable. All right. Let's go to the next problem. All right. Write an addition or subtraction equation, your choice, to describe the diagram. So I'm going to have you actually start with an addition equation. So I'm going to stop there and let you try it. Okay, now that you've tried it, you should have gotten 1, 2, that's positive 2, plus, well, what are we going? We're going down actually, so it's down 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so plus negative 4 equals, well, we end up at negative 2. So positive 2 and add to it negative 1, 2, 3, 4 equals negative 2. All right, now I'm going to have you try the same problem, but as a subtraction. So go ahead and try it out. Okay, now that you've tried it out, let's do this in blue now. A subtraction equation. All right, so once again, we start with positive 2, and we need to subtract. And in this case, we're already going down 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so minus 4. So 2 minus 4 equals negative 2. All right, so that is the subtraction way, for lack of a better word, of writing the same exact expression or equation. 2 plus negative 4 is the same as 2 and add to it negative 4, so 2 minus 4 equals negative 2. All right, those are both acceptable answers. Let's try this last problem. Write an addition or subtraction equation, your choice, to describe the diagram. So I'm going to have you guys, once again, do an addition. Let's do the addition equation first. Addition equation. Okay, now that you've tried it, addition equation. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 negative, so negative 4, plus What are we adding to it? Well, we're adding another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How do I undo, 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 undo? My son is here next to me, laughing at me and cuddling with our dog, Mrs. Miyagi. That's her name. All right, so -4, and add to it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more negatives. -9. Remember, these are equations, so they... What? What did I just do? Dude, this is messed up. See, I'm still trying to learn how to use this thing. My son's definitely laughing at me now. -4 plus -9. This is an equation. All right. You live and learn, guys. You live and learn. -4 and -9 equals well, that's 10, -11, -12, -13, and that's exactly the answer. All right. I'm going to spare us because the video is getting a little long here. The last one to do this as a subtraction equation would be, let's see, -4 minus, we're already going in the negative direction, so -9. So -4 plus -9 is the same as -4 and -9. So -4 minus 9 equals, let's pretend that didn't happen there, and that just says -13. All right, equals -13. All right, Mr. Lab needs to learn how to do these videos a little better.